Act confident enough to put your shirt on it. What's up to now? Day 1661. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey, primarily the business journey, and sharing in a daily journal what I'm up to as I'm building and growing and supersizing my own businesses and helping other people to do the same. So today I created 2 pieces of content, and then this one would be the third. One is for my Supersize Your Business group for female entrepreneurs, and we're taking idiom every day, and we talk about what does it mean, where did it come from, and how we can apply it to building and growing our business, supersizing our business, because it allows us to look at things differently, decide what things mean to us, and have other ways of looking at things, different perspectives. Because the more open we are to seeing different things and having different perspectives in our life, especially as we're building our business, the more we can understand and empathize with people and see things from their point of view, therefore serving them better. So today, our idiom for Supersize Your Business, and we're doing confidence this whole month to coincide with the EU 365-day challenge, where we're doing one thing every day that improves us. So our topic today was the A in the SOAP framework, which stands for action, kind of analysis of alternatives as well. But what are we going to take action on? We've looked at our situation, what it is and what we want it to be, or our current story, what it is and what we want it to be. We've looked at different options. This time we brainstormed at least 10, 3, and 1, which is, I think, quickly becoming my own personal favorite tool when it comes to brainstorming, especially things I need to brainstorm on my own. And then today, A stands for action. What are we going to take action on? Because we never want to leave the scene of a decision without taking some sort of action to reinforce that decision for ourselves. One of the biggest things that causes me to procrastinate or not get things done, at least in the past and even in the current and future, is that I'll make a decision or a choice, or I'll decide something or have an idea, and if I don't act on it immediately, meaning write it down at least, I forget it and I will lose it. So many things are bombarding us and taking our attention every single second of our lives these days. It's very challenging and difficult to even remember what our ideas are, remember what action we want to take, if we don't write it down or take some action immediately to move us toward that, to do that action. So today we're using the go, no go tool to decide which of the 3 actions we selected yesterday we're going to actually do today and take action on. And we're going to take action today. We're not going to wait till tomorrow. We're not going to wait till the weekend. We're not going to wait till Monday. We're going to do it right now today. We're going to pick one and do something to act on it immediately. Our idiom, to put your shirt on something, means to claim something as our own. So we talked about what does that mean with respect to our business. If we claim something of our own, this is a new idiom for me. It's British, and I don't think I've ever heard it before. You know, and what it means, the idiom means, is to bet and go all in on something, to bet everything on something, or by extension, then it means that we're absolutely certain it's going to happen. So if I go all in a course of study, that means I'm going to understand and learn that program or course, and I'm going to complete it. If I go all in, if I'm growing and building and supersizing a business, I'm going to put my shirt on that. I'm going to go all in on that. I'm going to bet everything on that, because that's how I am certain that it's going to succeed. Only I can choose that and decide that. And believe me, there'll be plenty of forces outside of me trying to prevent that from happening, or testing me to see if I'm serious about that commitment. So we talked about commitment, taking responsibility and ownership, branding, and how we want to put our logo and our name on things. And I didn't talk a whole lot about that today, because I think that those topics are so well covered by many experts in each of the different areas and fields. If you want more information about that, all you have to do is Google it, or whatever search engine you use, and ask the question. Or, geez, I think you can almost on every corner find a branding or online marketing expert these days. So just like a consultant, do your research, make sure it's the right person and the right product and service and thing for you, and that it's the thing you need right now. I think one of the biggest mistakes we make as business owners and as humans is getting our attention pulled into different directions that aren't what we need right now. Every opportunity is out there for the people that it's for right now, not for the people that it's for in the future, but for right now. So we have to be really selective and filter What do I need to know right now? What's the next thing I need to do? Not what's 5 or 10 or 100 steps down the road to create what I want. What is the next thing I need to do right now? And that's one of my favorite questions. What's next? Or what now? What do I need to do right now? What do I need to look at? What do I need to find? What question do I need to ask right now? Because we can only act in the now, right? We can only do anything in the present moment. All right. If I can help you in any way, hit me up and ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Bye.